this Cuban cowboy over in Miami had $300,000. He wanted 30,000 pounds of marijuana. I could literally spend $300,000 and buy him 15 tons of Colombian red. By the time that $10 a pound material reached the United States waters, it jumped up in value to $500 to $750 a pound.
So how much would you make on a typical haul in profit?
On 30,000 pounds, $5 million. But out of that $5 million, I paid the crew that helped me smuggle it.
And how much was each member of the crew getting paid? Because this is a high-risk job. This is not
Different
like...
amount.